Hi everybody, it is time for SuperKids. Now today we do not have a SuperKids lesson, but we do have a benchmark test. Now this is new, so I'm going to do a step-by-step instruction of how to get your child set up for the test. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to give you the web address in the post, and it's going to bring you to the page where it says log in to the SuperKids online portal. So you are going to type in the email address and the password you created for the SuperKids. Sometimes I type a little bit too fast. Okay. If this pops up, just hit home user. It might not pop up. It's popped up for me sometimes and then not some other times. The first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that this is your child's name up on the top, okay? And then this is just a description of all the stuff we have been learning about. Now, the really cool thing about this website is that we have the songs, there's some animation, like their animations, and there's also a lot of fun games. Like you can build yourself as a super kid, but first, before you can do any of those activities, I need you to take the benchmark test we were talking about. So I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page. And for right here, this is where you're gonna find it. It's Super Kids Online Fun. Now I do suggest for this online fun website, you use Chrome. It just works the best for the SuperKids. Now it gives you 3 different options for what type of technology you are using. So if you're using a desktop, a laptop, or a Chromebook, you're going to use the first option. If you're using an iPad, you're going to use the second option. And if you're using an Android tablet, you're going to use the third option. Now I am using a laptop, so I am going to click the first option. Okay. So it's gonna take a few moments to load the first time, but just keep it open. Okay. So then you want to hit click to play, obviously. And once it gets there, it's going to open up where your kid's name is and then the password. Okay, so your child's name should pop up. Now, everyone's password is Bear. So you're going to look through the pictures and find the picture of the teddy bear. And you click it. And then it's going to bring you to this page where it has the test. Now, this is where I'm going to ask parents to hand over the technology to their child, and I'm asking to please let the student do this independently. It's not for a grade per se, it's just I want to see where your child is at after our SuperKids lessons. So they click to start the test, and they'll have the directions read to them. Now, if you need them to repeat the direction, there is an icon at the top of the website. It's going to be right here. It's a little ear. So they click that to listen to the directions again. And then when they are all done, you can go through all the SuperKids activities. So like you can build yourself as a super kid. I actually did that. It's kind of cool. You can play some fun games. You can hang out with the SuperKids. But first, you got to get through the progress test 3. Okay, so this is where we're going to end the video. If you have any questions, please contact me. I will help you get through this. And good luck to my students. All right, bye.